Hello. So, Eletronoobs came up with this code to stick on a Wii D1 Mini and do a YouTube subscriber counter. So, seeing as how Marcel's workshop did one, Pile of Stuff did one, I think Ralph Bacon did one, not sure. Yeah, probably. Anyway, I thought I'd give it a shot. But the only thing I have laying around really was a Lowland Node MCU. So I stuck that code on that baby. And I wired it up to a 8-digit 7-segment display counter. The speaker is for the ISD1820, which just plays a little voice file. So when I plug it in, and I'll do that now, it will start off automatically by, doing my little thing.
Another subscriber.
Yippee. Anyway, it'll do that. The display eventually will come up and show my big 10 or 11 subscribers here. Woohoo! And it'll announce I got another subscriber, but it's wrong because I have to fix the code somewhere along the way just to make it only do it when I have a subscriber. And that's about it, really, for that. Of course, I got to put it all in a case and, make it look pretty. Actually, this is the second one I made. The first one was for Melanie from Low Vision Life on the YouTube. She got a channel there, and hers is not in a case either. I think I just used a smaller board of one of these guys. Yeah, so big 11 subscribers, yay! But anyway, once this is plugged in and I get another subscriber, it'll say that. You just record it on a little microphone that's on board of the ISD1820. Jacked it into D8 on there. With that white wire going down there yonder. Anyway, Eletronoobs has a code for it. Pile of Stuff put his all in a box. Looks real pretty. And eventually I'll make some more videos. Maybe I'll even do one where this is installed in a case and has some flashing lights and stuff like that. That'll be cool. Anyway, thanks for watching.